This is episode 6 of how to do monstrous voices for the beginner DM. Today we are going to do a sad but lovable Sahuagin. Now, you could probably do kind of the Scion voice that I did in the last episode for this. I know you. But it's not quite got enough character to it. This is kind of a fun Sharkman character that I love to have, like at a tavern or something. And when it's all said and done, it's going to sound a bit like this.
I'm just a regular old Sharkman. I'm not a monster. They look at me and they say, he's a big angry shark man. I'm not a shark monster. I'm actually vegetarian.
So kind of this really lovable, shark character, really just trying to do well. You can I'll make another episode where we kind of make a monster out of that maybe eventually, but this is just one of the characters that I kind of have in my basket that I have a lot of fun with and I'd like to share. So we're going to do this one's just a really simple voice, but we're going to go through a 3-step process like I normally do. Step 1 is just to go super low, so get to your recording place, get ready to make some weird sounds, and here we go. So do your normal voice, start practicing that, go as low as you can. So normal voice, that's going to be the basis for your character.
I'm just a shark man.
And then step 2, once you get the hang of talking in your low voice as much as you can, you're going to want to look down, like picture that you're big and tall and you're looking down at the ground. And you're going to go as low as you can, but you're not going to push out a lot with your vocal cords. It's all going to be, everything is going to come through your chest. So you're going to want to open your mouth as much as you can. As much as you can. Don't close it. And then
go as low as you can. Look down. And then push out with your chest. I'm just a big shark man.
And then step 3 is going to be not too complicated, just to add some character to it. So step 1, low. Step 2, out with the chest, mouth open, head down. And then step 3, we're going to kind of add a little bit of like a tearfulness to it, like he's crying in the middle of it. So
I'm just a big shark man.
So you're going to kind of jitter your lungs a little bit, kind of like as you're going, to get that almost like he's tearing up.
I'm just a big shark man. People look at me and they say, he's a big scary monster. I'm not a monster. I'm just a big shark man. And I didn't ask to be born this way. But I was. Oh, I'm actually vegetarian. Would you be my friend?
So kind of a bit of a lovable character, super nice, but really misunderstood. Really fun to do that character. Kind of one of the ones that I usually have in my basket. I'll pull them out from time to time for new players or just whenever. So hope you have fun with that, and hope it brings joy to your table. Stay weird, have fun.